You might be surprised to learn that the average millionaire doesn't drive a Ferrari or live in a mansion. In fact, according to research by Thomas Stanley, most millionaires live in middle-class neighborhoods, drive modest cars, and probably look a lot like your next-door neighbor. This reality check is essential to understanding that wealth creation is not about material possessions, but about the skills and mindset you possess. Building wealth through consistency. Let's take the example of Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, who started with just $5,000 and became the youngest self-made female billionaire. What sets her apart from the rest is her consistent effort and determination. By breaking down her journey into smaller, manageable steps, she was able to achieve her dream. The same principle applies to us. We can create wealth by starting small, being consistent, and making adjustments as we progress. Understanding the power of compounding interest. Imagine this: James, a regular guy working at a coffee shop, decided to invest just $10 a day in index funds. After 20 years of consistent investing and compound interest, his small daily sacrifice grew to over $100,000. That's the power of starting small, but starting now. Compound interest is a game changer, and it's essential to understand how it works to create wealth over time. Overview of the 3 pillars of wealth creation. Pillar number 1, mindset transformation. This involves changing your thoughts and behaviors to achieve financial freedom. By adopting a wealthy mindset, you'll be more likely to take calculated risks, stay disciplined, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Develop a growth mindset by recognizing the value of education and continuous learning. Practice positive self-talk and affirmations to build confidence and overcome self-doubt. Surround yourself with positive influences that support your financial goals. Pillar number 2, foundational finance. This involves building a solid financial foundation by understanding basic concepts such as budgeting, saving, and investing. By creating a stable financial base, you'll be better equipped to manage risk, make informed decisions, and take advantage of opportunities. Understand the 50, 30, and 20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Create a budget that accounts for all your income and expenses. Build an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. The third pillar is income expansion. This involves creating multiple revenue streams to increase your income potential. By diversifying your income, you'll be less reliant on a single source of income and more resilient to financial downturns. Develop a side hustle or freelance work to supplement your primary income. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trusts to generate passive income. Create and sell digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. Step number 1, master the money mindset. Mastering the money mindset is crucial for achieving financial freedom. It involves recognizing and challenging limiting beliefs that hold you back and adopting a growth mindset. This involves letting go of negative self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations to build confidence. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity. View failures as chances to learn and grow. Developing a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. Step number 2, create your wealth-building foundation. This involves building a $1,000 emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. Implementing the debt avalanche method. Pay off high-interest debts first, while making minimum payments on other debts. Automating savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. Step number 3, strategic income expansion. This involves developing a side hustle. Identify your skills and talents and monetize them through a side hustle. Investing in dividend-paying stock. Invest in established companies with a history of paying consistent dividends. Creating digital products. Develop and sell digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software. Monetizing your skills. Offer services related to your expertise and skills. Step number 4, investing for wealth and income. Investing for wealth and income is essential for achieving financial freedom. This involves understanding the concept of value investing and long-term investing. Investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Creating a long-term plan for retirement and wealth accumulation. Monitoring and adjusting your investment strategy as needed. Real-life success stories and common pitfalls to avoid. Meet Sarah, who started with 100 monthly investments while working minimum wage. 3 years later, she's built a $30,000 portfolio and runs a successful online business. Common pitfalls to avoid include trying to get rich quickly. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on building wealth gradually. Investing without understanding. Educate yourself on investing before putting your money at risk. Neglecting to build an emergency fund first. Prioritize building an emergency fund before investing in the stock market. Overcoming obstacles and staying motivated. This involves setting clear goals and tracking progress. Creating a support system and accountability partner. Celebrating successes and learning from failures. Staying informed and up to date on personal finance and investing. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in and watching. See you in the next video. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel.